Hello, happy December 1st, 2022 to you and to you and to you and to you. Welcome all. I just wanted to come on here real quick to this part of the video and let you know that I'm not going to be on this part of it where I'll be able to chit chat with you and with Sean from The Guy Who Sews. Him and I are doing the collab for the Rose's Holiday Your Way Countdown box, and we'll be unboxing number 1 for you tonight. So just wanted to come on and let you know why I wouldn't be a part of it this time. My daughter, she's in college and she has a concert tonight, so we're going to travel over to see her so that we can get to see her play in the concert. So I hope you all have a wonderful evening, and I will see you tomorrow. So have a great night, and we'll talk to you soon. Sean, thanks again for taking the reins on this one. I appreciate you. All right, y'all have a great night. Mwah. Bye.
Hello everyone, this is Martha with Martha's Creative Life, and I have for you a special treat tonight. I am going to have Sean from The Guy Who Sews with me.
Hi.
And we are going to show you the Cotton Cuts 2022 Color Your Way box.
And I have
Hey
mine
Sean,
too.
look what I got in the mail.
Hey, I got one too.
You did?
Yeah.
Which one did you get?
I got the batiks.
I
Because
got
you know I love a good batik.
Yes, you do love a good boutique.
Batik.
Do you like a good boutique? Boutique.
No,
Well,
batiks are made in boutiques, so
I like a good cotton.
there you go.
So how about if we, Sean, for the next 24 days, how about if we unbox and show everyone each day what we got in here? What do you think?
I think that sounds bonza, which is Australian for good.
I love it. And y'all, what we're doing right now is we're chin wagging. We're talking on my channel and on Sean's channel. So this is something fun that we wanted to do for you. We wanted to share with you from Cotton Cuts this year. This is my first one getting one, and I believe Sean, this is your first one as well.
Yes, it's the first one as well. Yes.
And I believe that you said that last year, Fallon off of what's her name of her channel?
So be it quilts.
That's right. I knew that. So be it quilts. She had it, so you loved it. So you decided that you'd get one this year.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Well, I look forward to doing this with you, Sean. And we went ahead and let me show you what it looks like inside. We kind of took a sneak peek, sort of, but guess what? All the packages are
Still sealed.
So we can't. So they put it in a real pretty blue. Is yours blue too?
It was.
Oh, cool. So they packaged them both the same way.
Yeah, and then underneath the blue is all these individually numbered packages.
Yes, look at all this beautiful stuff. So they really curated a beautiful box for us. Don't you agree? Yeah. And neither one of us are endorsed by Cotton Cuts. We just love Cotton Cuts. We've been doing the Piazza. I'm doing the Piazza, and you're doing the sweet.
So sweet. I just finished it. Yes.
Yes, you just finished that one. So that was really neat. So it's nice to see all the different colorways that everybody has. We did go ahead and open up one for you. And this year they put some patterns in here. Which ones were your favorite? They gave us 5.
It's hard. I mean, there's 5 really good patterns, and of course everyone's taste is different, but I really like this one.
Yep.
It's fun at the batiks.
Yes.
The Starfire is really cool as well.
I love that one too.
And to be unique, I've done a similar quilt to that already, so I don't know that I'll do this one
okay
right away. But these two are fun as well. So I mean, they did really well with the patterns this year.
They really did. This one's my favorite, the bow tie.
Yes. That one should be fun.
Yes. And then the next one is the Starfire. So I really can't wait to do this unboxing with you for the next 24 days, starting on December 1st.
Yes.
So.
No, it should be good.
Okay. Well, I appreciate you, Sean, for doing this with me this year. Sean just wanted to let you all know that we talked about it, and he decided that he would like to have me do it on my channel this year. Sean has been a wonderful mentor and just helped me along the way on my new journey with YouTube and creating my own channel. So thank you, Sean, for doing this with me.
Oh, it's my pleasure. It'll just be a fun little thing to do together. So yeah,
Yes,
definitely
it will.
check in with Martha's channel each day, and we'll show you what we have each day. It's going to be a lot of fun. So I hope you all join us.
All right. We'll see you soon. Bye.
See ya. Bye.